Hello and welcome to another one of my walking films. Today I'm just in Knutsford near the big old Travis Perkins water tower. Basically there's car parking just over here, but I'm going to go into Tatton Park just for a little wander around, but I've not been for years, so really excited. So this back entrance, the way I'm going, is just down Teal Avenue here, then down Mallard Close. That's just the railway towards Knutsford. And we're just taking a right through this gate here. Gate lock 7 PM. You do have to keep an eye on that. So, just going around the lake to the viewpoint, then just coming back down again. It's just a leisurely stroll, this. This path is amazing, isn't it? Wow. It's like entering a posh Jurassic Park. So that was Dogwood, and I'm just going to head up this path here, get up on the top, and get towards the end of the mere. It's fantastic, isn't it? It's just like a picture book, isn't it? Just keep following this very obvious path down here. I'm just sort of realising something now. What's so different is there's no planes flying and there's no boats. It's one of these strange COVID moments, isn't it? I think this is the sunshine after the rain. Wow. Well, it was raining really heavy earlier, but I've come out right at the end of the day, and that's terrific. There's no filters on this shot. So that's just 2.5k, 50 minutes. I'm taking my time. We're just walking over to the main road where we'll take a left. Don't know if you can see that middle of shot, but there is a heron. I'm just getting some really surreal sort of light and colours here. It's amazing. So the main hall and car park are just down there to the right, but we're heading off down here to the left. Now I'm still doing these walks and calling them lockdown because I think over time it's more a mentality and an attitude that's sort of developed with these films, and more than anything it's just seeing what you've got local. I mean, I have not been here for decades and it is absolutely incredible. The main house just in the middle of the shot over there. Well worth a visit. I do like a nice aristocratic straight road. Some more of this amazing light. let's just give you a kind of 360 nearly. Just at the trees here, just come off that main driveway. I'm just going to head along down by the lake. The light really is always something at this time of year. Right, 4K, hour and 20, splendid. They famously have a deer park here, and these are, I think, fallow deer. Right at the Knutsford end. Whole load sat down over there, so yeah, that was unexpected. I was worried I was disturbing them, but doesn't seem to be bothering them at all, this. Everyone's eating. Right, I've just come to the end of the park. That's a really smart gate, so we're just going to pop through here. Right, just keep following the path straight down here. Just before it rains again, a lovely quick shot of old Knutsford. Man, the small buildings here. Ruskin rooms, that rings a bell, I think, to do with a university, a library or something maybe. But we're following down Drury Lane. Oh, General Tatton, he didn't mess about. So that was here at the Ruskin rooms. Just some lovely old cottages and buildings down here, it's fantastic. So we followed Drury Lane. That's the tower house. Richard Harding Watt designed these, but what's interesting, it does remind me of Port Merion actually, this Italian design and the colours. Right, this is unexpected, just come down here. It's a nice little stream, still on Drury Lane. Carry on down here. Yeah, it's lovely down here. Got kind of a sort of a Cotswolds vibe. It's brilliant. If you've got more time, Knutsford village definitely looks like well worth a look round. But right, we're going straight down here, basically across the top of the mere. Right, didn't anticipate this. Knutsford Mere. Loads of reeds as well over there, so I bet it's fantastic for wildlife. Right, so this is called the Moor. So there's obviously a heck of a lot in Knutsford. Right, don't go under what I think is a railway. Keep left. Man, it's getting a bit murky in here. Just one thing I've noticed actually on this walk is, I know it's been raining a lot, but it is quite damp in certain areas. Nearly back. What an amazing place to grow up in, eh? And I am back. So that was 6k in the end, but 2 hours. Really took my time. I've got to at the moment. But thank you very much for coming with me around Tatton Park and a little bit of Knutsford. It's been terrific and somewhere, well, really completely new for me. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon.